Hillary is in it again. Yesterday, Hillary Clinton became the third candidate and first Democrat to announce that she is running for president. In 2007, Hillary was supposed to have the Democrat nomination gift-wrapped and handed to her when out of nowhere came Joe Biden's clean, articulate storybook candidate, Barack Hussein Obama, and stole what she believed was rightfully hers. So she's doing it again, and this time she just phoned it in. There was no fanfare, no cheering crowds, no explosive speech. She didn't even have to look anybody in the eye. Just an email to reporters, a tweet, and a rehearsed online video that hits all the talking points she wants mentioned. The video shows everyday Americans and everyday life getting ready to get married, retire, open a business, and other everyday things.
I'm getting ready to do something too. I'm running for president. Americans have fought their way back from tough economic times, but the deck is still stacked in favor of those at the top. Everyday Americans need a champion, and I want to be that champion. So you can do more than just get by. You can get ahead and stay ahead, because when families are strong, America is strong.
As former First Lady, former Senator of New York, and former Secretary of State, Hillary Clinton has achieved absolutely nothing. She managed to botch HillaryCare, she called General Petraeus a liar before he even testified, and she was derelict in her duty to secure our embassy in Libya, costing 4 Americans their lives. Also on her resume is bragging about getting a child rapist off the hook. She fought her own little private war on the women who were victimized by her husband. She's hid her email and other work-related documents as Secretary of State. Her staff destroyed files in the State Department building. She held back subpoenaed emails about Benghazi and wiped her private server clean, destroying that evidence. And when confronted about her failure as Secretary of State, she exclaimed, "What difference does it make?" And now she has the unmitigated gall to ask the American people to vote for her for President of the United States? Mrs. Clinton, it's time for you to disappear. It's time for you to retire, out of sight and out of mind from the American people. Retire, bake cookies, and bounce your grandchild on your knee, thankful that you are not in prison where you belong. Yet. Thanks for listening, and be sure to catch The Weekly Ray Warner Show and subscribe on iTunes or at theraywarnershow.com.